Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color shadow text in Photoshop. So let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add color shadow in text. Now we're going to the text tool option. Now click. Now type your text. Now going to the text layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now select from blending option. Now going to the drop shadow. Now click. Now going to the color option in the blend mode in the color. Now choose from color. Now click OK and shadow is distance and span in size. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see add color shadow text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for